For many individuals with disabilities, driving represents independence, flexibility, and the ability to fully participate in everyday life. From commuting to work and attending medical appointments to visiting family and running errands, access to reliable transportation is essential. Thanks to modern technology, vehicle modifications have made it possible for many disabled drivers to regain or maintain that independence. With the right adaptations, driving can remain safe, comfortable, and empowering. Vehicle modifications for disabled drivers are designed to match individual physical abilities. Rather than a one-size-fits-all solution, these modifications are tailored to address specific mobility limitations. The goal is to enhance safety while allowing drivers to operate a vehicle with confidence. One of the most common modifications is the installation of hand controls. Hand controls allow drivers to accelerate and brake using their hands instead of their feet. This is especially helpful for individuals with limited or no use of their legs due to spinal cord injuries, amputations, muscular disorders, or other mobility impairments. Hand controls come in different configurations, allowing customization based on strength, coordination, and comfort. Steering modifications are another important adaptation. Steering wheel spinner knobs allow drivers to steer with one hand, which can be essential for individuals with limited grip strength or reduced dexterity. Reduced effort steering systems decrease the amount of physical force required to turn the wheel, making maneuvering easier and less fatiguing. These adjustments are particularly valuable for drivers with upper body weakness or joint conditions. For individuals who require adjustments to pedal placement, pedal extensions or left foot accelerators can be installed. Pedal extensions bring the controls closer to the driver, while left foot accelerators allow safe operation for those who cannot use their right foot. These modifications help ensure that drivers can maintain proper seating position and control. Vehicle entry and exit modifications are equally important. Wheelchair users often rely on ramps or lifts to enter and exit their vehicles safely. Side entry ramps provide convenient access when parking in accessible spaces, while rear entry ramps can be practical in tight parking areas. Hydraulic lifts offer smooth and controlled transitions for larger wheelchairs. Lowered floors and modified door openings can increase interior headroom and ease of movement inside the vehicle. In some cases, wheelchair securement systems allow drivers to operate the vehicle directly from their wheelchair. These docking systems provide stability and eliminate the need for transferring into a separate driver's seat. Seating modifications can also enhance comfort and accessibility. Swivel seats, transfer seats, and adjustable seating systems help individuals move in and out of the vehicle more easily. For drivers with limited trunk strength or balance issues, these features reduce strain and improve safety. Advanced technology further enhances accessibility. Backup cameras, parking sensors, blind spot monitoring, and lane departure warnings provide additional layers of safety. Voice-activated controls allow drivers to manage navigation, communication, and entertainment systems without taking their hands off adaptive controls. Before installing vehicle modifications, a comprehensive driving evaluation is often recommended. A certified driver rehabilitation specialist assesses physical abilities, reaction time, vision, and coordination. Based on this evaluation, appropriate modifications are recommended to ensure both safety and comfort. Training is a crucial component of the process. Operating a vehicle with adaptive equipment requires practice and instruction. Professional training ensures that drivers understand how to use new controls effectively and respond appropriately in various driving conditions. This preparation builds confidence and promotes safe driving habits. In addition to vehicle modifications, many disabled drivers may qualify for a disability permit. A permit provides access to designated accessible parking spaces located near building entrances. When combined with an adapted vehicle, accessible parking enhances overall mobility and reduces physical strain during daily activities. Vehicle modifications do more than alter mechanics. They restore freedom. For many individuals, losing the ability to drive can feel isolating. Adaptive equipment provides an opportunity to regain independence and maintain control over personal schedules and choices. Safety remains the top priority in every modification. Equipment should be installed by qualified professionals who understand automotive safety standards. Regular maintenance and inspections help ensure that modifications continue to function properly over time. Accessible transportation is a cornerstone of inclusive communities. When disabled drivers have access to well-designed vehicle modifications, they are better equipped to pursue employment, education, social engagement, and healthcare access without unnecessary barriers. Ultimately, top vehicle modifications for disabled drivers demonstrate the power of innovation and thoughtful design. By tailoring vehicles to individual needs, technology creates new possibilities for independence and mobility. With the right combination of adaptive equipment, professional training, and supportive accommodations such as a disability permit, individuals with disabilities can confidently navigate the road ahead. These advancements reinforce the principle that mobility should not be limited by physical challenges. Instead, through customization and support, independence can remain within reach for all. We hope this video helped answer your questions. If you need a handicapped placard or plate and want to avoid the confusion and long wait times, visit handicappedparking.com. Our licensed doctors are available online to help you from the comfort of your home, making the process simple and stress-free. Subscribe for more helpful information on disabled parking permits and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.